So the $1,000,000 question is, what is naturopathic medicine? I get that question more than any other question ever. So my short answer is, it's the medicine you've always been looking for if you're looking for that mind-body-spirit reconnection or alignment. We get to the root cause of disease or illness, and try to restore those imbalances by nudging, it could be with our modalities, botanical medicine, homeopathy. We can prescribe pharmaceuticals. The sky's the limit. Hydrotherapy, the use of hot and cold waters. It doesn't have to be expensive. What we're skilled in doing as naturopathic doctors is listening, like deeply listening to what is going on, and it's playing detective. Sometimes it's running labs. Not everybody can afford that or has access to that. Okay, so it's like sometimes it's a trial run of whatever treatment, say a supplement, or sometimes supplements are expensive and people have medical insurance that covers pharmaceuticals, so maybe that route is best for overall financial well-being for the time being. It's all about meeting where the patient, where they're at on all levels, like mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically, what they can afford financially, and using the lowest level of intervention that's appropriate, or maybe a high level is appropriate. Maybe they need emergency care and needed surgery. That's not in our domain. That is where Western medicine and emergency medicine comes into play. I love to work together and not just be like, oh, ours is better, because really we can't live without each other. Our strength as naturopathic doctors is preventative medicine. Of course, important modalities that I failed to mention earlier were, a healthy diet, of course. I don't like the word diet. I like healthy foods, nutritious foods, nourishing foods. Let's see, sleep, the basic foundations of health. I'll probably have a separate video for that. Exercise, of course, something that you love and will do. Stretching and weight training as you get older, if it's physically possible and you won't get injured. As naturopathic doctors, we're trained in physical medicine, so not all of us are good at that, but I would say that's one of my strengths as well. And then minor surgery, so sutures or things like that, Dr. Pimple Popper, basic stuff. Yes, like cyst removal, things like that are intriguing. I don't currently have the setup for that, but that could be on the horizon if there's a demand.